going to see if you can eat taco
Soft
faster.
taco faster.
And it's not gonna be her.
Wait.
Caitlin, are you gonna tell us when to go?
Good countdown.
Okay, ready? Set. Go!
Ooh. Oh. The mouth. This is a bad idea.
Holy crap. This is awesome.
Good Lord.
Holy crap. Oh, it's a close one. I don't know. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh.
You gotta open your mouth open, there's nothing in there. I hate you.
The moment of truth.
That's gross. So nasty.
I beat you. That was good.